Hi, I'm Jason. Welcome to another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. Today we will show you how to remove and replace the electronic control on this Whirlpool electric dryer. To begin the repair, we must first access it from the rear.
Stop. Before beginning any repair, be sure to always disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage.
To remove the console, we're going to take 3 screws out of the back panel. Then with a flat bladed putty knife, we're going to depress the tabs on the front console and lift up on the front of the panel at the same time. With those depressed, you can lift up on the control panel, rock it forward, disengage the Molex, and take your whole panel and set it aside. Symptom you might have with the control board is the dryer may not turn on or you may not get any heat. To remove your control board, first you're going to unplug all your Molex connectors. With everything disconnected, you're going to take the 1/4-inch screw out. The board will slide out of the locking tabs and lift it off and set it aside. To install your new control board, take your new board, slide the tabs into the locking position, take your 1/4-inch screw, screw it back into place, plug in all your Molex connectors. All the Molex connectors are keyed so nothing can go in the wrong spot. And we're ready to install our control panel. To install our console, we're going to start by plugging it in to the control board. We're going to line up the tabs on the back first, and then snap the front tabs in place. Then there are 3 screws that hold the back panel on. And that completes the repair. Thanks for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel.